Let me start with one of these service center tools. It is called a pressure gauge. Harish, can you guess what a pressure gauge is?
I think it is used to measure some kind of pressure.
Indeed it is. Let me show you how this operator is using this tool to measure the gas pressure. A pressure gauge is a measurement device which determines the pressure of 0 to 300 inches of HG gas.
But Dad, what is its usage here?
As you can see, the operator is using the gauge to measure the pressure of the refrigerant in the refrigerator.
A pressure gauge has two scales. The temperature markings shows the boiling point or condensing point of the refrigerant at each pressure. The red pointer, which is factory sealed, is a stationary marker that can be set manually to indicate the maximum working pressure. Do not reset gauge. The pointer shaft moves according to the pressure measured in both the scales. The pressure gauge with regulator has a reading from 0 to 300 or 500 pound square inch gauge or PSIG. It's a high pressure gauge that's red in color. When we give pressure to the system using nitrogen gas, it is essential to use a pressure gauge. It has a valve to stop or release the pressure. The needle on the scale of a pressure gauge shows the pressure that we have given to the system. The charging line is used to connect a pressure gauge with the system. We should work with proper gauges and keep them in good condition, always for safe working.
Friends, you now know what a pressure gauge is, don't you?
A pressure gauge is a measurement device which determines the high pressure of the unit. It has two scales for measuring pressure and temperature.